This new solar electric powered aircraft is said to be part of the revitalization of the aviation industry on Long Island. It's also what could be a major breakthrough in communication throughout the world.
The goal here is perpetual flight, and the purpose for it is to provide a platform to provide internet connectivity to the 4 billion people in the world who don't have access to information.
Daniel Preston, CEO of Luminati Aerospace in Calverton, unveiled the new Substrata. It's only half the size as the aircraft the company plans on building. Solar panels cover its wings. It could be flown manned or unmanned. And it's the first aircraft to come off the assembly line at the former Grumman test facility in over 2 decades. Chief pilot Robert Lutz says it's a quiet, smooth ride.
Unlike a plug-in that has to be plugged in, this doesn't have to do any of that. Out here in a beautiful sunlight and I'm getting a charge.
It's going to represent a rebirth of aviation manufacturing here, which will be a significant boost to local economy and job creation.
Job creation with a plan to hire some 800 people within the next 2 to 3 years. Luminati's goal is to partner with a yet-to-be-named tech giant to deliver wireless internet service to areas of the globe inaccessible to date. There's been much speculation on who that company is.
We have a secrecy clause on that contract.
When will we know?
That's up to them to disclose.
Now, as far as the timeline, Luminati plans on having a full assembly line in operation by the end of October, with a second aircraft completed before New Year's. They hope to start delivering orders to India before next summer to provide a communication platform. In Calverton, Long Island, Jody Goldberg, Fox 5 News.